Hey Dean, are you going to Kids Art Day?
What's that?
Kids Art Day is a free community event open to students between 2nd and 8th grade. You can take part in 3 masterclass workshops and participate in a live, on-stage performance.
Me? On stage? I've never done that before.
It's a very exciting experience. Plus, you'll learn everything you need to know throughout the day from a team of super friendly student counselors. Like me, we're all going to learn as a group with other students, so you'll be fully prepared for your breakout performance.
That sounds really cool. What kind of things will I learn?
There are workshops available that teach singing, acting, dancing, visual arts, and technical arts.
When is Kids Arts Day?
On Saturday, May 4th, 2019, from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And there's even a parents' lounge for mom and dad to hang out if they'd like.
And all of this is free?
Absolutely. But if you and your parents would like to make a $10 donation, it would go a long way towards making programs like this possible.
Where do I sign up?
Just send an email to booking@encorehighschool.com.
Alright, I'm gonna go ask my parents to sign me up right now.
Kids Art Day is being held at Encore Junior Senior High School, located at 16955 Lemon Street, Hesperia, California. This is a free event open to all students, grades 2 through 8. Hope to see you all there.